Showing you how to use closed captions in a Zoom meeting by utilizing the built-in dictation on an Apple computer. First step will be to enable dictation by clicking on System Preferences, then clicking on the Keyboard preference, then clicking the Dictation tab, and making sure that dictation is turned on. You'll also want to take note of the shortcut key combination. The default is to press the Function key twice, which is in the bottom left corner of the keyboard. I will leave that default on. Close the System Preferences, open up the Zoom application, go up to Zoom in the upper left corner, click on Preferences, click on General, click on View More Settings. This will then take you to the web and the Zoom website. It may prompt you to sign in. If it does, sign in. Once you are signed in, you will go to the settings, scroll down, and we are looking for the closed captioning option, which is way down on this page, this long list of settings, and make sure to turn closed captioning on. Once you have done that, you can close this window, go back to Zoom, join a meeting, once you are in the meeting, you will click on the Close Captioning button at the bottom of the window, and here you will select I will type. This will then open up your closed captioning window. Click to put your cursor in this field at the bottom of the window. Make sure you have the flashing cursor. And now you can enable dictation by tapping the Function key twice. Hello, my name is Brian. Period. My favorite movie is Mary Poppins because they sing the song Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Now, any text that appears in this window will also show up on the student's side in their Zoom meeting. They will have to click on their caption button at the bottom of their window and make sure that closed captioning is turned on. That's it. Please send us an email if you have any questions. Thank you.